Experience the luxury of green living in downtown Denver. Step into Solera. The first of its kind, this modern apartment community is LEED Gold certified with energy efficiencies that translates to an up to 40% reduction in utility costs when compared to traditionally built communities. More than that, our location, just walking distance from the light rail and bike paths, makes it easy to live green on the go.
Sign for Commons Park.
Select from an array of 1 and 2 bedroom floor plans boasting designer finishes such as imported oak-height quartz countertops. Energy-efficient stainless steel appliances, including a washer and dryer in every home, low-E argon-filled windows, and a personal energy monitor. Elegant wood-style floors create an inviting atmosphere, while urban features like exposed cement add an edge to your unique style.
Bedroom with door that opens to balcony.
Enjoy deep soaking tubs, huge walk-in closets, and private patios and balconies with striking views of the Rockies, downtown, or Coors Field.
Coors Field Stadium.
Have a 4-legged roommate? Solera is pet-friendly. Nearby parks and recreation make for a great place to stroll with man's best friend. Of course, with all the best restaurants, shopping, and nightlife just walking distance away, you'll never be without a reason to take your feet to the street.
Downtown shops.
If you like to stay on the move, you'll love our 24-hour fitness center. Reconnect in the Cyber Lounge with complimentary lattes and flat-screen TV.
Fitness center. Lounge with kitchen and computers.
Relax on the rooftop sun deck complete with gas grills.
Outdoor cooking area with grill and seating.
Eco and people-friendly. Solera offers a life of luxury backed by sustainable style. Experience it for yourself today.
Text Solera, 1956 Lawrence Street, Denver, CO. 80202. 303-381-7777. www.soleraliving.com